Creating a comprehensive guide to portable biogas systems is essential for anyone interested in sustainable energy solutions. Whether you're a homesteader, a small farmer, or simply an eco-conscious individual, understanding how to harness biogas can be a game changer. This video will cover everything you need to know about portable biogas systems, including what biogas is, how it works, the benefits of using it, and a step-by-step DIY guide to creating your own portable biogas system. Let's start with the basics. What is biogas? Biogas is a renewable energy source produced through the anaerobic digestion of organic matter. This organic matter can include animal manure, food waste, agricultural residues, and even sewage. In the absence of oxygen, microorganisms break down this organic material, releasing methane, carbon dioxide, and other gases. The primary component of biogas is methane, which can be used as a fuel for heating, cooking, or even generating electricity. Now, why should you consider using biogas? First and foremost, it's an environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. By converting waste into energy, you reduce greenhouse gas emissions and minimize landfill waste. Additionally, biogas can provide a reliable source of energy, especially in off-grid locations where access to traditional energy sources may be limited. It also has the potential to lower energy costs, making it an economically viable option for many households and farms. So how does a portable biogas system work? The process begins with the collection of organic waste. This waste is then placed in a biogas digester, a sealed container where anaerobic digestion occurs. The digester creates an ideal environment for microorganisms to thrive, breaking down the organic matter and producing biogas. The biogas is then collected and can be stored in a gas holder for later use. Now, let's dive into the DIY aspect of creating your own portable biogas system. Building a biogas digester may sound daunting, but with the right materials and guidance, it can be a rewarding project. First, you'll need to gather your supplies. Here's a list of what you'll need. 1. A suitable container. This can be a plastic drum, an old water tank, or any airtight container that can withstand pressure. The size of the container will depend on the amount of organic waste you plan to process. 2. A gas collection system. This can be as simple as a balloon or a more complex gas holder made from PVC pipes and connectors. 3. A mixing mechanism. This could be a simple paddle or a more sophisticated pump to ensure the organic material is well mixed with water. 4. A feeding system. This is how you'll add organic waste to the digester. It can be a simple funnel or a more elaborate chute. 5. A drainage system. You'll need a way to remove the liquid byproduct, known as digestate, which can be used as a nutrient-rich fertilizer. Once you have your materials, it's time to assemble your portable biogas digester. Start by preparing your container. Make sure it's clean and free of any contaminants. If you're using a plastic drum, ensure that it has a tight-fitting lid to create an airtight seal. Next, install the gas collection system. If you're using a balloon, attach it securely to the gas outlet of the digester. For a more permanent solution, construct a gas holder using PVC pipes that connect to the digester. Once your gas collection system is in place, it's time to set up the mixing mechanism. This is crucial for ensuring that the organic waste is broken down efficiently. If you're using a paddle, make sure it can be easily rotated within the digester. If you opt for a pump, ensure it's capable of mixing the contents thoroughly. Now, let's move on to the feeding system. This is where you'll add your organic waste. You can use kitchen scraps, livestock manure, or any other biodegradable materials. It's essential to chop or grind the waste into smaller pieces to facilitate digestion. Once your waste is ready, add it to the digester, along with an equal amount of water. This mixture should be about 50% solid and 50% liquid for optimal digestion. After feeding your digester, it's essential to monitor its performance. Check the temperature inside the digester, as this can influence the rate of digestion. Ideally, the temperature should be between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. You can use a simple thermometer to keep track of this. As the digestion process begins, you'll notice gas production starting within a few days to a week, depending on the materials used and the conditions within the digester. The biogas will rise to the top of the container and can be stored in your gas collection system. It's crucial to regularly check for leaks and ensure that the gas collection system is functioning correctly. Once you've collected enough biogas, it's time to put it to use. Biogas can be used for cooking, heating, or even running a generator. If you plan to use it for cooking, you'll need a biogas stove designed to handle the specific gas composition. For heating or generating electricity, you may need additional equipment like a biogas burner or a generator designed for biogas use. One of the byproducts of the anaerobic digestion process is digestate, which is rich in nutrients and can be used as fertilizer for your garden or crops. This nutrient-rich slurry can help improve soil health and promote plant growth, closing the loop on waste management and energy production. As you embark on your biogas journey, it's essential to keep in mind a few best practices. Regularly monitor the pH level inside your digester, as it should ideally be between 6.5 and 8.5 for optimal digestion. If the pH level drops too low, you can add lime to adjust it. Additionally, ensure that you're not adding any harmful materials to your digester, such as oils, plastics, or metals, as these can disrupt the digestion process. In conclusion, portable biogas systems offer a sustainable and efficient way to convert organic waste into renewable energy. By understanding the principles of biogas production and following a DIY guide, you can create your own system that not only reduces waste, but also provides a reliable energy source. Whether you're looking to power your home, heat your water, or fertilize your garden, biogas can be a valuable addition to your sustainable living practices. So, gather your materials, roll up your sleeves, and start building your portable biogas system today. Embrace the power of waste and turn it into energy.